Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end say. This is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you, and this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to this channel. Yes, so because I will bring the world closer to your doorstep. So without not wasting much of your time, let us go into the reason why we are here. Now you have to watch the video to the end because you have to get a lot of things is happening, and also here you will also know how when Fulani herdsmen are caught, why is it that they no longer know their way about after some few days. Nobody know if they release them or something, but you will get to know at the end of this video. Now this is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his Sam Agabi. Now this is coming to you from Barrister Ejemako, where he said that the official DSS need to explain to Nigerians why it blocked Chief Kanu Agabi Sam from meeting with his client Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They did this a few minutes ago, and the High Chief has left the DSS facility very upset. This is a flagrant interference with their trial. You see, you know that tomorrow, the 14th day of May 2025, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court, and it is lawful, or it is good, it is better when his son or his legal representative meet with him today in preparation for the next trial, when they will appear in court again to guide Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and to discuss things ahead. And now it has come to the public of the notice that the DSS refused that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's Sam that came to visit him will not have a proper conversation with him. So this is coming to you from Barrister Ejemako. Anyways, I just say let me brief you, because tomorrow 14th of May 2025, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court again. So it is my duty for me to keep you updated so that you flow along, or you will be expecting positive, and also being there to hear and to listen and to get the right information about the court proceeding. Another one you are going to listen to is about the Fulani herdsmen. Anytime they are caught, why is it that nobody will, as a matter of fact, will not hear or know or see anything about them? We don't know if the policemen used to release them after they are caught. Anyways, listen to this update and I'll be right back.
A very quick one. Hey man, for the problem. Personally, more than with Imo State government, when we give them information, they don't work on it. They rather prefer information from my page or from Nonsunkwa as inciting. Information from Nonsunkwa, spreading fake news. That is just to tell you that when we give information, verify. Information, verify. There is no smoke without fire. If Imo State government fails to do something as swift, as quick as possible, Abuja, Kaduna Road. Let me repeat it. If Imo State government refuses, remains adamant to secure Oboruza Siowere, Gawaba, that road will turn to Oboruza Si Abuja, Gawa Kaduna, even the bandits baby. The checkpoint on that side with bandits when. So I know Kulea, that road is turning into a nightmare for Ndimo. That Ngobala road is turning into a nightmare for Ndimo, especially in Ngobala. Problem let me say it again. A government is responsive to issues of security, protection of life and property. That is the main purpose of governance. The primary duty of a government is securing life and property of the citizen. If a government fails to protect life and property of her citizens, that government is a failure. This road, that road is trying to turn into a bandit road. It's trying to turn into something else. Abia state government gain protection from the Bodrumoto from Aba Abia go were. Ebi Abia state kara gboro wono were enter that road. Aba hours imo were here. Imo government takes charge. Imo government takes charge. Secure that road because that road di anyimpa. Secure that road because that road di anyimpa. Mbawula Hessman. Heshile ni mo here now. Ha put on the road. Heshile ni mo here now. Na put on the road. Imo state government secure Ngobala road. Secure Owerri Aba road. Immediately after that military checkpoint, Gawaba, all danger zone. All danger zone from that Ihite. Gawa Mbutoko here. Gawu Meche. Badawa. Gawaba. Eba who danger zone now. Just last night. How about one guy buhilos with Ogaya? Poro Ogaya. Poro driver. Abamo God gene Messia gene vehicle we have. The whole 18 passengers. Over him or here. I am begging you. I am begging you. When you are own local vigilante, unechela government. Unechela government. When you are own local vigilante that will penetrate into and inside those bushes in around that area. When unde youth. Always go na to onde ken obodo ibo na tokolata ego. Una tokolata ego. Men de youth unu equip to guide your forest. Imanu nwere ohia too much. Ohia kan kona ngo bala. Tokolata de ego from obodo ibo. Tokolata de ego from Nigeria. Menuka unu nwe tight security in those bushes. Once they with security ni more here na ngo bala. These people will run. Once they with security ni more here na ngo bala. And of course ni more here in any bush. And when an Imo state, none of them will be no element of criminality will be found inside those bushes. Let us secure our bushes. This is a message to the Imo state government. Secure Aba Owerri road. Secure Ngobala. They won.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.